Ready to block out the world? The Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones offer industry-leading noise cancellation that will truly amaze you. These aren't just good. They virtually silence distractions, making your commute, office, or home a peaceful sanctuary. Whether you're a student, traveler, or just seeking focus, the XM5s are your ultimate escape. Worried about constantly charging? Enjoy an incredible 30-hour battery life, ensuring your music and podcasts last longer than even your longest day. From cross-country flights to back-to-back work calls, these wireless headphones keep going when you need them most. And for seamless multitasking, the multi-point connection lets you effortlessly switch between two devices, like your laptop and phone. No more reconnecting hassles, just fluid transitions for your audio needs, making them perfect for any modern lifestyle. Beyond the specs, it's the premium sound quality and incredible comfort that truly set these wireless headphones apart from the competition. If you're ready for the best listening experience, check the description below for the Amazon link to grab your Sony WH-1000XM5s today. Seriously, for anyone seeking the ultimate noise-canceling headphones in 2025, these are an absolute must-buy.